the scissors?
No.
Okay.
I put my here.
Put on, Mommy. Okay, here's your mittens, kitten. Well, wait, what about your hat?
Daddy.
Your
hat
hat.
on, too.
What's your hat, Mommy?
Hi, thank you. Get your hat on.
Oh, wait, you dropped this too? Oh my gosh. Look at this, Jeremy. She got a little hoodie.
Oh, you have a hoodie like Daddy?
Oh, nice. Here, kitten. Put your hat on.
Put your hat on, because that would look really neat.
Okay, go put
Good
your hat on.
job.
Ready, 1, 2. You do it. You want to do it, I know.
She hasn't kept taking her mittens off to do it. Alright.
There.
No hurry. Good job. Oh, perfect.
Perfect.
Show Daddy.
Look at this.
Show Daddy.
Show Daddy.
Show Daddy.
Show Daddy. Turn around. Show Daddy.
Giabella,
Put it on and show Daddy.
can I see?
Wait, she got to get it on first.
You're so funny. There you go. Oh, you got it. Show Dad.
Show Dad.
Good
Put
job.
it on your balls when you do it.
Okay.
I know that sounds weird. That's what you do. That's what they're for.
Oh, wow.
And they can
Hey,
sign
Belle, that's for Mommy and Daddy.
No.
Yeah.
Here, what's
No,
this?
no.
Help me with these.
There's more things in this bag that you have to
We
take
got
over to
more
Mom.
things
Oh
over
my
there.
gosh, Bella, more stuff.
Mother.
More presents.
More
Baby,
presents.
give me that box.
What is it?
More jammies.
Look with the candies on it. Giabella.
Oh.
Jammies. Oh my God. Goodness gracious, girl. Look at all these clothes you got.
What do you think, Giabella?
Wow.
You
You
like
got
them?
all
Oh, gosh. I
sorts of
wonder if there's
jammies.
anything else back here. I'm going to have to go take a look.
There is.
Well, let's pick some of this
She's
up.
gonna go look. You can't go look.